My name is Vahi Sen. I am from Toronto, Canada, and my mother tongue is Tamil, and I also speak a little bit of Sinhalese. Because my background, I'm coming from Sri Lanka, and I'm interested in learning Pali to bridge the gap and also understand from Sinhalese from a linguistic perspective.
Beautiful. Thank you, Wagisa.
I am Reverend Badule Arivansthero from Pāli Buddhist Vihara, New Zealand. I would like to study Pali by English. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Bante. Thank you for joining us. Good to see you. Okay.
So Ananda Bodhi Bhikkhuni, and I'm originally from Wales, but I live in Washington State. I would live in Parayana Vihara, Washington State, little town called Port Townsend. And I'm interested to learn Pali to deepen my connection with the Dhamma, and also as a community practice that we're doing here in the Vihara.
Thank you. Wonderful Bhikkhuni Ananda Bodhi. Good to see you again in the class.
I'm Venerable Silananda, and Bhante Sumita was the presiding elder monk at my Balikama reordination ceremony recently. And I live at Parayana Vihara with Ayananda Bodhi, and that's in Washington State, USA. And I'd like to learn Pali so that, as you said, I can understand the Buddhist teachings in the original language that they were written down.
Thank you, Bhikkhuni Silananda. Good to see you again, and also maybe we can learn a lot from each other. She is exposed to a lot in Tibetan Buddhism too, so now she wants to learn more about Theravada Buddhism. You are very welcome to our class.
Everyone, Saranai. I'm Sachadarani Bhikkhuni, and I'm living in Sri Lanka. I spent more than 10 years living in Thailand, and so I've been exposed to two ways of chanting, and so this has made me realize, which one is the right one, actually, the words, how we speak this language. So this has brought me to realize I really do need to investigate Pali, and so that is why I've joined this class. Sadhu.
So wonderful. Thank you so much, Venerable Bhikkhuni Sachadarani, and so glad you are also staying in Sri Lanka. So you have already learned a lot about the chantings, I'm sure, like Thai chanting and Sri Lankan chanting.
Greetings. I am Siddharth Tonsonga. I am from Bangladesh, and I study at Lenia University in Sri Lanka. Now I am living at Sri Nanda Viharya, Manevattale, near the Bulagale. Actually, I am new ordinated, and I am very interested to understand Pali language. Before I read only, but I didn't understand the Pali actually.
Thank you, Venerable, and so glad to hear from you too. We can share a lot of things in the course of our Pali learning process.
Bhikkhuni Silavatani. I'm from Germany, and having the wish to really understand the chanting by heart while chanting it would be wonderful sometime.
Here is Bhikkhuni Silavardhani. Thank you for joining us. What time is there now?
3:30 in the morning, Bhante.
Oh,
good time to get up.
Sorry. Yeah, okay. I was actually trying very hard how to accommodate everyone. There are a lot of people in Italy, Germany, Russia, and other countries too wanting to join. And I know it's too early. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for joining us.
I am Dr. Satish. I am Satish Dipankar. I am from India. I am a doctor by profession, and as an Indian Buddhist, I want to learn Pali because most of the Buddhist literature is available in Pali. And initially during COVID-19, little bit I joined online Pali in some other local courses, but I could not finish it properly because of my duties. But again, I got opportunity to learn the Pali and happy to join you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Satish, and so nice to meet you. And looking forward to hearing from you more. So, which part of India are you from?
I am from South India,
Okay.
Mangalgiri. Actually my hometown is in Maharashtra, South Maharashtra, near Pune.
Oh, nice.
Pune, Mumbai. But I am working in neighboring state, that is Andhra Pradesh, near Mangalgiri.
Okay, wonderful. I've
Near
been to
Mangalgiri and
Andhra Pradesh.
yeah. And here it is Nagarjuna University is there, very famous Nagarjuna universities nearby to my institute. And one more historical place, Amravati, is also going to develop here, which is where very ancient Buddhist stupa relics are there.
Thank you so
And
much. Thank you. Really appreciate your participation. And yes,
Sarnai Bante. So to everyone, I'm Anagarika Kematipa. I am from New Jersey in the US, and what inspires me to learn Pali is to be closer to get as close as possible to what the Buddha was saying in the Pali Canon, and to try to understand that. So this class, I believe, what I'm looking for is to help be a support system. I joined Venerable Samhita's class last year as well, and it was very fruitful. And ever since then, I have been personally studying Pali myself. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anagarika, I used to call her in the other name. We have to remember this new name, Anagarika Kemadipa now. Okay, and congratulations on your path as a young girl joining this spiritual path. We really appreciate, and all the best to you. And yeah, looking forward to working with you.
Yes. Thank you for guiding and assisting me throughout the process.
All right.
Respected the most venerable, my name is Lehula. I'm a Vietnamese Buddhist monk. Actually, I'm a student of international of Pune University in India. So the purpose I want to learn Pali language because to repair MA master degree in Pali department in Pune University, and that's why I want to learn basic Pali language. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Venerable. How do I pronounce your name? Lehulak?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Thank you for joining us.
Namo Buddhaya, everyone. My name is Arani. I am from India, Hyderabad, basically. I am a great fan of Buddhist philosophy and then Buddhist teachings. And I always felt like in translation, the exact meanings and then exact teachings of Buddha is going to, I always felt the exact way how he taught, and I wanted to learn. That is why I want to learn the Pali, so that I can understand his teachings, how he taught his people. So that is what inspired me to join this queue.
Thank you so much, Arani. Very good to see you and really appreciate lot of Indian people have joined our course. I think nearly 40 Indian students have enrolled. I'm sure they will join us in future. Most number of students are actually from the land of the Buddha. So happy, yeah, and also good to see many of them are from different parts of the world also. Most of them are from mainland India. Okay, thank you, Arani.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kara. I live in Ann Arbor, Michigan, and I hope to understand the Dharma a little bit clearer through learning Pali.
Thank you, Kaira. You have been our student in a number of classes. Good to see you, and I think your brother also is there, right? Hello, Brian.
Yes, hello. Yeah, so I'm also living in the state of Michigan, the United States, and yeah, I wanted to join this class to gain a better cultural understanding as well as understanding Buddhist philosophy better through the language of the Buddha. And yeah.
Okay, thank you. Welcome to Pali class. I hope this will be a whole new realm for you.
I'm Alican. I'm from Turkey, but I'm living in Germany now. I've been like a Buddhist for like the last 10 years. So I thought I would learn also Pali.
Oh, wonderful. Have you learned Pali before, or this is the first time?
It's my first time, but I'm sort of familiar with the vocabulary of the sutras. Yeah.
Oh, so glad to hear people from Turkey, right? You're originally from Turkey, you said.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
wonderful. Thank you for joining our community here.
Hello everyone, my name is Sing, is my Dhamma name, and I'm currently studying in USA, and I'm interested in Pali because I used to learn Pali, but with the Thai pronunciation or Thai accent or a Myanmar accent, it's also different. So some people say it's better to learn Pali from Sri Lankan people or Sri Lankan monks, Sri Lankan accent. So when I saw this news in YouTube, so I registered and joined.
So you are from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much. There is no right or wrong. I know different countries have different accents, so we really have to, appreciate people in Myanmar, people in Thailand, people in Laos, Cambodia, and Sri Lanka. They have different accents due to linguistic differences. Their vocal system is different, so that is exactly why some of the accent we find different. But yes, thank you for joining, and we'll see how it can be helpful to you, not only for chanting but also to learn the Dhamma, the teaching of the Buddha. Some of the suttas, we will read some of the original suttas together, and we will chant also together, and we will learn, make some Pali sentences together. So if you stay with us, we will all the way guide you to read the Pali suttas all by yourself. Okay? So
yes, I appreciate that.
all right, thank you.